Here's how to add the right URL tagging to your Facebook ads. So on our Facebook audit page, you have the option to fix the campaign tagging. We then show you a list of the Facebook ads to correct, and you can start with the first one by copying that URL string into your clipboard. What these parameters do is allow us to match the traffic you get from the Facebook campaign with the costs and the performance of it in Google Analytics. Then you need to go to your Facebook account, so choose the right account and business manager, go to the ad manager page, and then on the top right there's a search option. You click here and you can then search by the keyword. So we're going to type in try a free into that ad name box, and the list will be filtered. So now we've got the right ads, we can right click to edit it. Now scroll down the editing panel, the section we want is tracking, and you'll see the field here, URL parameters. That's where we're going to paste in the UTM parameters. You can overwrite any existing tracking you have for Google Analytics here, but if you have tracking for other platforms, you may need to add rstring to the end of the existing parameters. And now we have the correct URL parameters, we can go back to the list in Little Data, click Done, and start the next one.